Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Heroku add-on credits, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from Heroku add-on credits, start by logging into your Heroku account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the app associated with the add-on credits you wish to withdraw. Click on the app name to open its details page. On the app details page, look for the Resources tab. Click on the Resources tab to view your add-ons. Find the specific add-on from which you want to withdraw credits. Click on the add-on to open its settings page. In the settings, look for the option pertaining to credits or billing. Review the available credits displayed in that section. If credits are available for withdrawal, there should be a clear option to do so. Click on the option to withdraw credits. Follow any prompts or confirmations that appear on your screen. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification regarding your withdrawal. Check your account balance to verify that the credits have been removed. If you encounter any issues during the process, consult the Heroku documentation or support. Review your email for any confirmation of the withdrawal. Your credits should now be successfully withdrawn from your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.